Hey guys, watching Droid Crunch, and I'm Lokesh Kapoor, and I'm quite excited today to share this amazing plugin with you, which is the Plus blocks for Gutenberg. And if you are someone who is editing your pages, your posts using Gutenberg, then this video is definitely for you, because after watching this video, you will be able to create some nice pages and posts using Gutenberg itself, and you'll be able to unlock like more of the blocks that allow you to do more of the things actually. So without wasting any time, let's start this video off. Okay, so we're going to talk about this plugin, the Plus blocks for Elementor. Okay, so you can see there are like tons of blocks that you can utilize. They are pretty well categorized, and you can have all of these blocks in your Gutenberg. Okay, so I have installed this out. Okay, and here in the welcome screen you can see the change log, okay, and all the stuff about it, and you have all these widgets in plus blocks section. You can enable the ones that you want, or you can disable the ones that you don't want. Okay, and you have some extra options here like integrations. You can say all those integrations about Google Fonts, Font Awesome, MailChimp, Google Map, all those. And you have some performance settings here. You can purge your caches and all those things, and you generate CSS. And you can have this custom code section where you can add some custom CSS and custom JS. And here's the license thing, and here's the white label if you want. Okay, so I haven't activated, as you can see, all of these blocks for my Gutenberg. So let me access one of my pages, or I can create a new page alternatively and show you. So Guten blocks, I can say it. So this is my title. I want to achieve the theme styling here. Okay, and now let me show you all of these blocks that are by. So if you search just TP, you will be able to find all of these. Okay, because all of these blocks are starting with this word TP, which means the plus blocks for Elementor and the plus add-ons for Elementor. So the plus blocks for Gutenberg, right, not for Elementor. So you can have all of these widgets here, and you can utilize them. So how it makes an effect, like if you use any normal post, you actually put some data into table, right, and you have like, for example, 2 columns and 2 rows, and probably 2 rows and 1 header section. And you can say, for example, name, and I say here marks. Okay, I can say here Lokesh, I can say Alex, I can say 50, and I can say 60. Isn't bad. Okay, so this is the default styling, okay, from the Gutenberg. So this widget is by the Gutenberg itself, and this is a table widget, and you can see there are like pretty less styles available here, the default and stripes. Okay, and you can set the colors. Stripes gives you more, options, right? Like if you add few more rows, insert row after this, John 70, so looks quite good. Okay, but what if you use the default one? It is like this, and if you change this to this, then this looks pretty good, I guess. But this is very limited in features. So when I compare this to the widget of TP table, so if I search table, I will find 3 more widgets or blocks which are by the plus blocks for Gutenberg. Okay, so I can, for example, use this. Now you can see there are like tons of styling, layout options, and advanced options. So for example, here you can import the data from a CSV file. You can use a Google Sheet to import data, and that is not possible with this widget or this block. And you can have this table header. You can set the this is for this ID, this title 1, this title 2. Okay, we can remove this, and to remove these two items you will need to go to this and you can delete from here. It is quite easy, isn't it? And you can also set the styling from here. You can style the body. Okay, you can set the striped effect here as well. If you change it, you will be able to see it. And not only this, you can set the striped row colors for the second row. Okay, this is not possible with this because here you can only set the color for one row. Okay, and the second row will always be white, right? So even if you use the stripe feature in here. Okay, can you see it? But here you can easily give a much better design, and you have some extra settings. You can set table to be searchable. Okay, you can search something out of this table. You can set this table to be sortable. Okay, you can sort things out like this ID. This table is not sortable, right? You can set filter drop down here, this one for the entries, and these are some extra options. And you can also set the styling for search bar, entries, all of these. They're like hell lot of customization options available to you, and you can customize in your way to match it with your brand styles and everything. Okay, and you can also use this global colors if you have set them, global palettes and colors. Okay, and what about if I use like a list widget? So here's a list widget of Gutenberg. I say first item, second item, and third item, and it looks like this. And when I go to block for this, I don't have much options. So this is an extension, I can say, for all of the widgets, no matter it's from Plus or any other block. You can have it, but this is not the one I'm talking about. So the color option is there, the typography option is there, and just that one option, and no more option is available to you. But what if I use the list widget by TP? I don't find here. So what I can do, I can search it, list, and here you go, TP style list. Okay, stylish list, and here you can see you have this list item 1. You can change it from here, content. You can set it a URL, and this is more exciting. You can set it like open a new window as well. Okay, and you can have an icon. You can change this icon if you don't like it. I can say like check and set this one, and I can remove these two and have the similar ones here as well. And here I can set the color for the icon. I can go to icon and change its color like this. You can match it to your brand color and color that you want for your list item icon. Okay, and you can also set this read mode toggle for this. You have some extra options for its layout type, whether you need it vertical or horizontal. The default is vertical. You can make it horizontal as well, like this. Okay, you can have some interactive links, right? And you can also have the hints for this hint text. This is something like, and this kind of a hint for this list item, and you can set the background color for this hint as well, right? You can also have a tooltip as well. So this is hint and this is tooltip. I can say content to be text. This is tooltip. Okay, so it looks like this. So you can also change its color as well. Typography, you can also change everything. So there are lots of options with this. You can change the styling of content, hint, tooltip, icon, any of it. You can set a space You can make it more space, you can give it less space, okay, based on your need or your overall design. This is exciting. Now what is more, let's see. Here's like an info box. The default info box is very limited, but if you use this info box, you have all these kind of stylings, okay. And if you use columns and rows, like if you search it here, row, TP row you can also use, okay. So this is like a element or a layout kind of, isn't it? So if you want to use like 3 info boxes, then you can use this one, okay. Now you have it, add it, and here you can add info box is here, type info box, add it here, type info box, add here, type info box. So here now you have this. Now you click it and you can duplicate it as well. Here you are, TP row, okay, and here you can duplicate it. Now you have 6 of them. You can change the content, the styling of it to match it, okay. And you can also TP copy style, okay. For example, you made it like this and you set this TP copy style, and here you come and TP paste style. So this is only for the styling purposes. What else you can do? You can also have a button right here. For example, I delete this one first and this one as well, this row, okay. So now I can have a button and show it to you. So TP advanced buttons and TP button and TP switcher. So this advanced button is like pretty exciting. You have all these styles that you can use. So this is the CTA button and download button. You can choose any of it. Like if you are having any affiliate website where you sell or promote the products, then you can use all these CTA buttons, and these all buttons come with some exciting styles. When you hold it, you can see it, okay. This kind of marquee text just underneath the button, and here this kind of a hover thing, and when I click on the other item, you can see it quite clear, looks good. And here's kind of this thing and this. So you have like all of the options available. You can change the button text, you can set the extra text 1, extra text 2, you can set the styling for your button, you can set the text color, you can set the background color, box border, box shadow, or radius, everything is there. Like in Elementor you have all of these options. The same way you have these options in this Gutenberg, and you can easily style the way you want it, okay. And you'll have some other widgets as well, like this post author widget. You can hover over them and you can see how it will look, right? This lottery widget you can use, this countdown widget, there are many, and you can easily utilize them to make your pages. And interestingly, you don't need to actually create a page on the Elementor. You can easily create your landing pages on Gutenberg itself, and you can turn actually your post into a landing page using all of these blocks very easily. So it will be a post, but it can look like a landing page. You can make templates out of it, and you can reutilize them again and again for all your posts, and it can, you know, drive more conversions for you. It can drive like more traffic to you. It can drive more, you know, user experience, like better user experience, and you may have like pretty good bounce rate, and it will all be fun, I guess. Okay, so I have left a link in the description. If you want to check this out, please check this out, and you can buy it right away because this deal is quite exciting, and you can like extraordinary effect you can have with this plugin, I would say. So please check this out, and let me know your thoughts on this plugin in comment section below. And if you are a new user coming on my channel, then please subscribe to it because I need your support, and please hit the bell icon if you want to get notified about new videos that I upload on my channel. And please stay subscribed, have a wonderful day, and stay healthy, stay blessed. See you in the next video. Bye bye.